Hello there. Today we're doing a simple recipe of rice pudding. It sounds simple, but it could cost you £1 a can in the supermarket. So here we go. 150 grams of pudding rice. Into the pan she goes. To this we add just over a pint of boiling water. Just get a spoon and just stir it the once. Give it a good stir just to blend things in. And then on with the lid. So now we go to the hot plate and bring it to the boil. Right, so now it's brought to the boil, so we turn it down to the lowest setting on the hot plate and we leave it for 20 minutes. Right, that's the 20 minutes finished. Turn the heat off and just put the pan elsewhere for 10 minutes to cool. Right, now we're going to deal with the flavouring of the rice pudding. There's 2 tablespoons of cold water, and to it we add 25 grams of custard powder, proper custard powder, not the instant. And this adds flavour. It helps the rice pudding to stiffen up. It does something else I've forgotten. And it gives it colouring as well. So we stir this round until it becomes a reasonably smooth paste, he said. There we are. So a reasonably liquid paste, a lovely colour as you can see. Lovely yellow, and it's proper flavouring. Now to this we add 200 millilitres of milk. And this is going to flavour our rice pudding. There we are, all ready to go. Now we're going to take the lid off the rice, but use a cloth, or in my case I'm using a thick kitchen roll because the handle is still hot. And to the rice now we're going to add our flavouring mixture. Just give it a stir before we're going. And here we go. There we are, lovely colour. Put the whole lot in. And then stir it in very gently. Right, now we transfer the flavoured rice into a microwavable bowl. Look at that, it's delicious. But as you can see, it's still a wee bit fluid. So what we do now, we microwave the bowl for 1 minute. Right, this is the rice pudding after 1 minute in the microwave. Look at that, beautiful. But if it isn't thick enough for you, just give it another 30 seconds in the microwave. But that's more than enough for my liking. And to this, the final part, we add 50 grams of sugar, which seems quite a lot, but it'll stir in. There we go. Just stir it in nice and gently. And you can eat this rice pudding as it is, or with jam, or with a sprinkle of ground nutmeg. But it really is a tasty rice pudding that I'm sure the children will love. And the adults, I like it. And that is how we do rice pudding. It's a lovely treat. I do hope you enjoy it.